Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. Today we are doing an unboxing for my design team package for KS for You. And if you don't know, KS for You is KS, the number 4, the letter U.net. She sells all kinds of things. Laces and appliques are the biggies. And then there's beads and like maybe once in a while something like this. And but her lace and applique prices are really good. Oh, and she has bling, lots of bling. And her prices are really good. I mean, there's nothing more that I can say. You have to go check her out. She can't be beat. Just wipe this up and look at this pretty wood color, right? So my design team package came and I got this beautiful box. We get to pick out what we want, and I collect cigar boxes, and so I picked this one. And I love it. See how much space there is in here. Now I don't alter these, or at least I haven't yet. I just collect them, because the wood ones, because I just love them. I've always been a box person, kind of like I'm a rock person. But these are great for storing things. I have quite a few. Like here's a pretty white one. Didn't get it from KS for You, but I can show you, like, these are all my Tim Holtz people. It's stored in there. So that's what I use them for. And I don't know what I'll use this one for yet, but I liked it, so I got it. And the biggest thing is the price was right. She has awesome prices. Look at this lace. So now we got lace and bling here. And look at this lace. Isn't this gorgeous? You can turn it around. It can be either way. I love the sheer fabric there. Oh yeah. This is a nice piece. And look, it's this top and bottom, so you can cut it down the middle, and then you know, then you have double. Or this will be nice to wrap a journal in. When you sell a journal, wrap it in some pretty lace. That's also going to be nice laying here, isn't it? Love that. And here's some little, this is adorable. Oh yeah, that is adorable. Love that. And here's some pink. Very pretty. And her prices, oh, she has live sales. Don't let me forget that. She has live sales on her YouTube channel. Look at that with the flowers. And her prices are even cheaper at her live sales. Like a lot of these were $1.25 for 2 yards, stuff like that. They're just really crazy cheap. And this one's cute. It's got pink and green. So that is really cute. And then we got some bling. Now this one, it has a pin on the back, which is awesome for, like, if you use like sari silk or whatever for tying your journal. It's nice to put one of these on the front, and because it's a pin, you can pin it right to that sari silk. Or you can figure out, you know, another way to attach it and make it a square. But that is so pretty. Do you see how that bling? And then we got this one. This is also a pin. That is out, so let's close that up. It's also got a ring to where you can put a jump ring. I don't know how well you can see that, but isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, I just love her bling. And then we got this. This is golden blue. That's gonna be pretty. I was into blue this time, so I got a few blue. Oh, here's another piece of lace I forgot. I got a few blue laces. Now this one is like a blue green. This will make a great belly band. I always use these types of laces for belly bands. There are a lot there. I don't know what I'll use that for. I'll have to think about that. That's a color I don't usually work with. But I did pick it because it's blue. Look at how gorgeous this is, and it's got little beads, little rhinestones all throughout. It's like they're sewn on. No, they're glued on. But this is so pretty. Fix that little petal. Isn't that pretty? And of course it can be cut up. You don't have to use appliques as a whole piece. That's what's so nice about appliques. And here's a pretty blue one. You can cut this and make 2 or 3 things with that. Here's a gorgeous pink one. Aren't these just gorgeous? Love them. Here's another one. I got 2 of those, it looks like. That's pretty. That can definitely be cut up, but that would be pretty on a cover. And you can cut this part out of there. Oh yeah, getting ideas with that. This is pretty. So many pretty things, and look at this. These are appliques, basically. So a lot of cutting. There's a lot there too. The prices are just wonderful. And look at these. These are little treat boxes, maybe. These would be great if you're having, like, I'm in party mode because Holly's 14th birthday is coming up and we're doing a party. And I already got her gift boxes, but these would be cute. Cover this in a digital and then lace it all up. And these would be cute little treat boxes at a party. Like if you had a bunch of sweets, you know, can go in there. Like peppermint patties and fudge and a couple of cookies. Or if you're having a makeup party, fill that with makeup after you decorated the box, and send somebody home with some stuff. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, these boxes are can be used for so many things. They're so versatile, and there's 12 here, so you get 12 boxes. And that's, love that. And they're so easy to put together. That is so cool. Well, that is my design team. I like that. My design team unboxing of all the laces and appliques, and we can't forget the bling. So go check out Julie's store, ks4u.net, and that will be in the description box. And then check out her YouTube, which is linked in the description. And that way you'll know when she's having a live sale, because you get the best prices at the live sale. And it's usually a Saturday and a Sunday. And then her Facebook group will be linked in the description box. She also notifies in her Facebook group when she's having a live sale. So go check all of that out. And don't forget to like and leave a comment. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.